The current value of Cardano is 5.6524 rands per coin, with a price range of 5.5612 to 5.7581. The previous day's closing price was 5.6748, indicating a movement of 0.0224 or 0.39% in the opposite direction. The exchange rate from ZAR to ADA and the projected cost of Cardano in the near future and next month are also of interest. The projected cost of Cardano on Thursday, August 10th is expected to be 5.92 rands, with a high estimate of 6.33 rands and a low estimate of 5.51 rands. On Friday, August 11th, the projected cost of Cardano is conjectured to be 5.83 rands, with a high estimate of 6.24 rands and a low estimate of 5.42 rands. Similarly, on Monday, August 7th, the projected cost of Cardano is expected to be 5.80 rands, with a high estimate of 6.21 rands and a low estimate of 5.39 rands. Finally, on Tuesday, August 8th, the conjectured cost of Cardano is projected to be 5.94 rands, with a high estimate of 6.36 rands and a low estimate of 5.52 rands, within the context of a multi-week timeframe. The projected cost of Cardano on Wednesday, August 9th is expected to be 5.99 rands, with a high estimate of 6.41 rands and a low estimate of 5.57 rands. Similarly, on Thursday, August 10th, the projected cost of Cardano is anticipated to be 5.95 rands, with a high estimate of 6.37 rands and a low estimate of 5.53 rands. On Friday, August 11th, the projected cost of Cardano is expected to be 5.95 rands, with a high estimate of 6.37 rands and a low estimate of 5.53 rands. Moving forward, on Monday, August 14th, the conjectured cost of Cardano is projected to be 5.92 rands, with a high estimate of 6.33 rands and a low estimate of 5.51 rands. Finally, on Tuesday, August 15th, the projected cost of Cardano is expected to be 5.70 rands, with a high estimate of 6.10 rands and a low estimate of 5.30 rands. These projections are based on a timeframe of approximately 14 days. On Wednesday, August 16th, the Cardano conjecture had a price of 5.85 rands, with a high of 6.26 and a low of 5.44. The anticipated cost of Cardano on Thursday, August 17th, was projected to be 5.74 rands, with a high of 6.14 and a low of 5.34. Similarly, on Friday, August 18th, the Cardano conjecture was expected to be priced at 5.67 rands, with a high of 6.07 and a low of 5.27. Moving forward to Monday, August 21st, the projected cost of Cardano was estimated to be 5.60 rands, with a high of 5.99 and a low of 5.21. On Tuesday, August 22nd, the Cardano conjecture was anticipated to have a cost of 5.78 rands, with a high of 6.18 and a low of 5.38. Looking ahead to 3 weeks later, on Wednesday, August 23rd, the expected cost of Cardano was projected to be 5.62 rands. On Thursday, August 24th, the price of Cardano fluctuated between a high of 6.01 rands and a low of 5.23 rands. The cost of Cardano was recorded at 5.48 rands. The following day, Friday, August 25th, the expected cost of Cardano ranged between a high of 5.86 rands and a low of 5.10 rands, with an average cost of 5.29 rands. On Monday, August 28th, the price of Cardano was observed to be between 5.19 rands and 5.55 rands, with an average cost of 5.19 rands. The subsequent day, Tuesday, August 29th, the anticipated cost of Cardano was projected to be between 4.86 rands and 5.20 rands, with an average cost of 4.86 rands. Looking ahead to Wednesday, August 30th, the price of Cardano was expected to range between 5.64 rands and 6.03 rands, with an average cost of 5.64 rands. On Thursday, August 31st, the projected cost of Cardano was estimated to be between 5.54 rands and 5.93 rands, with an average cost of 5.54 rands. Finally, on Friday, September 1st, the price of Cardano was recorded at 5.63 rands. The projected value of Cardano for the years 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 is expected to range between a high of 6.02 and a low of 5.24. Specifically, the anticipated cost of Cardano in December 2023 is projected to be 4.60 rands at the beginning of the month, with a peak cost of 5.02 rands and a minimum cost that is yet to be determined. The middle value of the cost of Cardano gauge for the months of December 2023 and January 2024 was determined to be 4.67. However, there was a shift in the cost for December 2023, with Cardano gauge costing 4.69 rands, which was seen to be expensive. On the other hand, the cost for January 2024 was relatively cheap, at 5.13. The median value of the cost of Cardano in January was found to be 4.45 rands, with a range of 4.77 rands to 4.79 rands. The expected cost of Cardano for February 2024 was initially estimated to be 4.79 rands, with a high cost of 5.66 rands and a low cost of 4.79 rands. The median value of the cost of Cardano in February was found to be 5.13 rands, with an estimate range of 5.13 rands to 5.29 rands. The estimated cost of Cardano for March 2024 is 5.29 rands, with a high cost of 5.38 rands and a low cost that is yet to be determined. The number of 4.68 represents the median cost estimate of 5.10 for Cardano throughout the month's end. The primary focus of this analysis is the projected change in the cost of Cardano for the spring of 2024. Specifically, we will examine the expected cost of Cardano in April 2024, which is estimated to be 5.03 rands. It is important to note that this cost is considered to be extravagant, reaching a high of 6.24 rands, while also having a low-priced alternative. In the given data, the middle value of the cost is discovered to be 5.53. The Cardano cost estimate for the upcoming months is 5.83, with a change of 15.9% for April. Furthermore, the Cardano forecast for May 2024 is 15.9%, with an initial cost of 5.83 rands. It is worth noting that the cost fluctuates